dogs masking out, please lay right here till all four gates are completely open. They saved the railroad a lot of money and kept the railroad afloat for 20 more years before they bankrupt. And actually, that's why we use it during the middle of it. It's expensive to run a steam engine. Like, in a day of operation, the steam engine, you can see anywhere between 150 to 300,000. On top of that, every hour or two, you go through about like 5 minutes.
Ese fue el otro, pero si quieren el mismo. Pues sí, pero espérese que entre la gente.
Get them hands up in here. Here's a holdup. Gold, silver, cash, preferably, you know, like gold coins, silver coins, copper coins. I like coins. What can I say?
You bet.
You know you got something all over your face? Do you know that? You don't? Probably were taking a nap and he drew on your face and didn't tell you. Here I come along. He drew all over your face while you were sleeping, just so you know. You got all over your face. Alright, what about y'all? You got any money? Sure. Yeah, I would prefer big coin. I don't want nothing I can't see. Yeah. Everyone's got it all? What about you? You ain't got no money?
I don't know, you take cryptocurrency?
No, I prefer stuff that is tangible. I want to be able to feel it and touch it and swim around in it like Scrooge McDuck if I can. I ain't got that much. Yeah, I work here, so obviously I ain't got that much money. But what happened to your pants? It's okay. Looks like you fell down. No, not today. Not today? Oh, the other day? Yeah. You got to fix it. All right, we'll come over here. You want that shirt, too?
They're already taking all your money. Hey, Dragon Face. You got any money or you're going to breathe fire? No, you got nothing? What about this guy? He got anything? What is it? Is it also a dragon? Oh, it's like a snake. Dang, well, I don't want to get bit by a snake. You're all right. How many tries did you win it or buy it? You won it? Yeah, how many tries? One try? Hey, good job. All right, fair. They didn't get a lot of money out of you then. Just enough, though.
He gave you a little pop right now?